when we're discussing EMPs and their effects on electronics, it's gonna burn out everything. It's gonna burn out mostly cars that are built after 1987. It's not to say it's going to affect all cars after 1987, but mostly. Your safest bet is cars before 1987 and making sure that they don't have a lot of fancy electronics in there. Now, talking about your distributor here and the effects of an EMP, your distributor is not the problem. What the problem is the the ignition control module that's inside of there is the problem. That is definitely going to be affected by an EMP. Now, I would not change out that distributor just in fear of an EMP that may never happen. What I would do though, if I were you, I would actually just buy another ignition control module. And when you receive it, open it up, make sure that they're usually in a little plastic bag inside a cardboard box. And if that's the case, I would just simply wrap a bunch of tinfoil around both the box with the modular end there inside the little bag and stuff it in your glove box and keep it there. That way, if there's an EMP, it's inside of a little Faraday cage. It's not going to be affected. If your car does get burned out and your car has to pull over the side, you can quickly reach in the glove box, pull out that new modulator, stick it in there, and continue on down the road. But it's a nice distributor. I would not mess with it. I'd keep it in there.